Hello guys, how are you today? I'm so glad to be here with you again. This week, the topic was Unit 1, I love reading, vocabulary, and present simple. Let's start. Unit 1, I love reading, vocabulary. Now, listen to the song called The Library. Then, listen and repeat the vocabulary. Go ahead.
There's a world of information for you and me. Everything you want at the library. Books, games, computers, and movies you can see. There's a lot to learn and do at the library. You can sit and read a novel at the library. Go on an adventure through the pictures you see. You can find exciting stories or a fantasy. The library's never boring, and it's all free. There's a world of information for you and me. Everything you want at the library. Books, games, computers, and movies you can see. There's a lot to learn and do at the library. You can listen to great music at the library and find a famous person's biography. You can meet interesting people, maybe 2 or 3. The library's very popular and it's all free. There's a world of information for you and me. Everything you want at the library. Books, games, computers, and movies you can see. There's a lot to learn and do at the library.
1. Interesting. 2. Science fiction. 3. Complicated. 4. Novel. 5. Popular. 6. Biography. 7. Exciting. 8. Fantasy. 9. Famous. 10. Adventure. 11. Boring.
Now, the second topic is present simple. When do we use the present simple? When we want to express facts. For example, I live in Poland. For habits and routines. For example, they swim every day. For feelings and emotions. They like pizza. And for general truth. Sunday comes after Saturday. When we use the present simple, we have to conjugate the verb. For example, add s after the verb when using he, she, or it. Look at the examples. If you have I, you, we, and they, you can write I run in the park. You run in the park. We run in the park. They run in the park. But when you have he, she, and it, you have to add letter s at the end of the verb. Look at this. He runs in the park. She runs in the park. It runs in the park. And look at the following examples. He cycles on the road. You dive really deep. Now remember these rules. In general, you have to add s at the end of the verb. I read, She reads. I walk, he walks. Rule number 2. Verbs ending in a vowel and letter Y, like play. I play, he plays, I say, she says. But verbs ending in a consonant plus Y, you have to replace letter Y for a letter I. For example, I study, he studies. I fly, it flies. And the third rule, verbs ending in O, SS, SH, CH, X, and Z. You have to add ES. For example, go. I go, but she goes. I do, he does. I wash, he washes, and so on. Read and listen to the following examples. I eat breakfast at 4 o'clock. I go to school every day. She gets up at 7 o'clock. She brushes her teeth. He always has lunch. He often watches TV. And as you can see, you have to conjugate the verb, adding s or es to the verb. And you can use adverbs of frequency as always and often. Well guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.